Why would anybody live here? Well, the answer may lie in the name of the development, Riverview Shores. If we move forward just a few months, that answer may become clearer. As the first homes rise from the ground, it's clear that many residents will enjoy an excellent view of the Cataraqui River. Even as the year ended, the pace of work was considerable. It didn't slacken very much when the snow arrived. And homes have been going up very quickly. The next few scenes cover just the last couple of weeks, and I think they'll give you a good feel for how quickly things are going. They can only accelerate as the weather improves. It's looking set to be an exciting year, and this channel will bring you regular updates. Thanks for watching.